Under optimal conditions, approximately 6,000 stars are visible to the naked eye of an observer on Earth. Of these, 58 stars are known in the field of navigational astronomy as selected stars, including 19 stars of the first magnitude, 38 stars of the second magnitude, and Polaris. Stars present multiple opportunities to find the compass error. The sidereal hour angle and the declination of stars are available in the stars panel of the nautical almanac. It is very important to identify the star correctly, for your calculation to have meaning. All stars are not equal. For various reasons, they have different degrees of brightness and a magnitude scale. The brightest navigation stars visible on from Trinidad, and their magnitudes, are, the Sun, magnitude, -26.72. Sirius, magnitude, -1.46. Arcturus, magnitude, -0.04 and Vega, magnitude, +0.03. A constellation is a group of stars that make an imaginary shape in the night sky. They are usually named after mythological characters, people, animals and objects. In different parts of the world, people have made up different shapes out of the same groups of bright stars. Orion was a hunter in Greek mythology. The Hunter or Orion constellation is located on the celestial equator, is one of the most prominent and recognizable constellations in the sky and can be seen throughout the world. The brightest stars in it are the blue-white Rigel and the red Betelgeuse. Professional navigators do not need a knowledge of constellations to identify stars. Commercial ships are provided with star finder charts like the one shown here. The navigator selects the template for the latitude he is closest to. The template is placed over the star disk provided. Turn the template until the mark lines up with the value for your longitude. The stars under the grid are the stars above your horizon. You will still be at the mercy of cloud cover. Navigators do not need a star finder to find the pole star, also called Polaris, and the North Star. Polaris is not particularly bright, but it is always bearing within about 2 degrees east or west of true north. From the northern hemisphere, also polar stars appear to move around Polaris. The sidereal hour angle and the declination of Polaris is available in the stars panel of the nautical almanac. The declination of Polaris is always within 2 degrees of 90 degrees. This image of the celestial sphere, we can see permanent positions of Polaris and Trinidad, relative to the celestial equator. If we change our perspective, to put Trinidad at the top of the sphere, we should be able to visualize that Polaris is always about 10 degrees above the horizon from Trinidad, and to the north. The true bearing of Polaris can be read from the table at the back of the nautical almanac, which is entered with the local hour angle of Aries and latitude. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is the second brightest natural object in the night sky, after the Moon. Venus is brighter than any of the actual stars in the sky. Venus does not appear to twinkle, but instead glows with a steady, silvery light. Venus was often called the morning star long before fake news was invented, but the facts are that it is not a star and does not only appear in the morning. Venus is visible in the morning, before dawn in the east when its meridian passage time is before 1200 hours, and is visible in the evening when the meridian passage time is after 1200 hours. The pattern repeats itself every 19 months. The Greenwich hour angle and the declination of Venus are available in the Venus panel of the nautical almanac.